Hey everybody, thanks for being here. Something you might be worried about as a newer landlord is the condition of your house that these people are living in for the first time. And so I was recently talking to a coaching client. She's doing so awesome. She's about to sign her first tenant. It's so exciting. And what she wants to do is she wants to see the place every day, or sorry, every month, not every day. That's definitely excessive. Every month for the next year. So there are a couple ways to do this. You can ask for it in like an addendum to the lease, at least if that's allowed in your jurisdiction, depending on where you live. To me, I think every month is a bit excessive. That said, maybe you want to give a 24-hour notice the first month and then the second month, and then maybe or maybe not the third month. Needing to do it all year round might be a little bit excessive. That's just my opinion. We do inspections every 6 months because then we can test the smoke detectors and have a look at the um, furnace filters and that kind of thing. And so you want to have something set up. And if you're nervous, I recommend the best way is to just give them 24-hour notices for the first or second or even third month, and then maybe kind of back off a bit, and then try it again in go back in 6 months. Also, what you want to keep in mind is a tenant that isn't taking care of the outside typically isn't taking care of a tenant that's not taking care of the property. You should see it uh, by whether or not they mow the lawn, whether or not they shovel the walks, things like that. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. All right, I hope that was helpful for you. Join my email list so that we can stay connected and you can know about upcoming digital and in-person events that we have. You'll also get a whole bunch of real estate investment content totally free, and I hope all of it helps you. So thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.